Good morning, boys and girls. Yesterday, I didn't realize that I did not put this video in there for you, so I wanted to go over it with you. Remember when we were talking about two letters that go together that make a completely different sound than the letters that make up the sound? So what I mean is C normally says k, and H normally says h. But when we see CH in a word, it says ch, ch. And you practiced this all last week and did a great job. CH says ch if it's at the beginning of the word, like cheese. If it's at the end of a word, like crunch. Okay, CH always says ch. I kind of forgot to tell you that these two letters that go together to make a completely different sound, the fancy word for them is digraphs. All of these are digraphs. And we call them the H brothers because all of these digraphs have H. There's CH, TH, WH, SH, and PH. CH says ch. TH There's a tricky thing about TH. There's two sounds for TH. There's voiced, where we say v, and then there's unvoiced, where we say f. And I don't know if you can hear my f, because it's real quiet. But there's two sounds for TH, which is tricky. WH says like you're blowing out a candle, or like you're getting ready to whistle. SH says shh, like you're trying to quiet someone down. Shh. PH makes the F sound, like phone or fill. So these are the brothers. There's Crazy Charlie, Employ Theo, Musical Wit, Quiet Sean, Talkative Phil. What I want you to do first with a pencil is go over and trace the letters to make the digraph. So C, H, T, H, W, H, S, H, P, H. I had to think for a second. Then you're going to need a yellow marker or a highlighter. And I want you to highlight the parts with the digraph in the brother's name. Okay? So there's the CH. Here's TH. Here's the WH, SH, and PH. Okay? This page I do recommend that you keep, so that way you can put it where your school stuff is in a folder, or maybe you can hang it up so that way you can look at it, because these are used so much, and knowing the sounds that these letters make when they're together is going to help you sound out those words that we don't know yet. So when we get to those words and we're trying to sound them out, when we see this word, we wouldn't say Arlie. We would say ch, Arlie. Because, oh, I see CH together. I know that that sound says ch. Okay? So I recommend keeping this page. Today we're going to look at a couple of poems. Okay? First, I just want you to use your reader finger and follow along as I read. Okay? Ready? Charlie went into his kitchen and saw a very tall chicken. He chased that chicken all through the house. He tried to catch it, but it was faster than a mouse. He checked behind the chair. He checked behind the couch. He checked behind the chest of drawers, where he pinched his fingers. Ouch! Sorry, I inhaled the wrong way. The chicken heard him screech and ran all the way to the beach. Charlie cheered with glee to finally be chicken free. Okay, so this is a poem about, what's his first name? Crazy Charlie. Here's Charlie. What I want you to do on this page, in just a second, I'm going to want you to pause the video, and I want you to go through and find all the CH digraphs that make the sound ch in this poem. Okay? Go ahead and pause and then come back to check to make sure that you found them all. All right, when you paused your video, I paused my video and I went through and I read the poem again, and then I stopped and highlighted all of the CH digraphs that make the sound ch. And I noticed that CH can be at the beginning of a word and it says ch, Charlie. I noticed that CH can be in the middle of the word and it says ch, kitchen. I noticed that CH can be at the end of a word and it still says ch, catch. So CH can be at the beginning, middle, or end, and it always says ch when a C and an H is next to one another. If you need a pause right here to make sure that you found all of your CH digraphs, go ahead and do so. I'm going to flip to the next page where the poem is about, what's Sean's first name? Do you remember? Quiet Sean. Let's read about Quiet Sean. First, we're going to need our reader finger. We're just following along. This is called tracking our words. So let's practice. Sean was fishing near the shore. Waves started crashing more and more. His shirt got wet. His shoes got wet. His shiny new watch got wet. Sean showed his dad how wet he got. His dad was a fisherman and knew a lot. You should rush and make a dash before those waves begin to splash. Sean shook his head and said, "The next time I will prepare. A hat and galoshes I shall wear." Galoshes are like rubber snow pants, kind of. They don't go necessarily all the way up as far as snow pants, but they help keep your clothes from getting wet when you're standing in rivers for sure. Lakes maybe if you don't go out very deep. So a lot of times when you see people fishing in the river, they might be wearing galoshes over their clothes so that way they don't get wet. What digraph do you think that we're going to be highlighting in Quiet Sean's poem? Yeah, the digraph SH. The digraph SH makes what sound? Shh. Shh. Okay, I see a sh in Sean. I see SH. You go ahead and pause and find all the SHs. I'll do the same, and then we'll meet back here to make sure that we found them all. All right, did you find all the SH digraphs that make the sound shh? I saw that SH can be at the beginning of the word and it says shh, shh, on. I saw that SH can be in the middle of a word and it still says shh, fishing. I saw that SH can be at the end of a word and it still says shh, dash. Great job. If you need a pause here to make sure that you found all of the SH digraphs that say shh, go ahead and do so. I'm going to turn the page to Theodore. Theo is short for Theodore, and Theodore is impolite. Let's use our reader finger to read. Theodore's mother and father said it was time for him to go to bed. They read him 3 short stories. When something didn't feel right, Theodore wasn't wearing his jammies. He wasn't ready to say goodnight. I need to take a bath. I need to brush my teeth. I need to smooth my hair. I need to do these things. Theodore's mother said, go do these 3, then we'll see if we can gather for a 4th story. All right. So, what digraph do you think we're going to be looking for? And what sound does it make? So smart. We are looking for TH digraph. And TH says 2 sounds. And why Theo is called impolite is because when we make the sound or th with our mouth, our tongue is sticking out just a little bit. You don't have to stick your tongue out all the way, but it is sticking a little past your teeth. And the voiced one says th, like the, or what word did I see? Father. We hear the th, father. That's a voiced TH. An unvoiced TH is like bath. It's a quiet bath. Okay, so it's still TH and it's still the digraph. The digraph just makes 2 sounds. It makes a voiced and an unvoiced, kind of like our vowels make a long and short sound. Go ahead and pause and highlight all the THs that you see. All right, did you find all of the TH digraphs? Another word that I noticed that says a voiced TH sound is they. 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 We put our tongue to our top teeth, but it makes a sound they. Whereas with smooth, that one's a little bit, but teeth, that teeth, that last sound is real quiet. So when we're looking at our words in our story, we might have to try TH voiced and unvoiced to see which one sounds right. But when we're writing and we say the or this, ooh, I know what makes that sound. It's TH. So we will know that TH says that sound, or when we get to a sound in our writing, we'll know that TH makes that sound too. Great job following along and finding all of the different digraphs. Did you notice that this story has another digraph in it? This poem, sorry, I just called it a story. This poem also has SH, and I just realized that I missed a TH twice in mother. This poem also has some SHs in it. And there's SH in brush. I don't see any CHs. But you guys did a great job, and we're going to learn more about the brothers and do more fun things this week.